Today we are showing an item which comes in the part of Dinacharya, daily disciplines of Ayurveda. If you follow the daily disciplines as per the rules of Ayurveda, you will be completely healthy without any disease. So this is known as Thamboola. Actually this leaf is betel leaf. It has a name Thamboola. Betel leaf, ginger, cardamom, pepper, honey. These are the ingredients. What we need is 2 betel leaf. You have to remove this portion and this portion. Cardomom powder, half spoon. Pepper powder. Pepper powder. Grated ginger, quarter spoon. Grated ginger, quarter spoon. Honey. It is ready. Now you will have to chew this and swallow the juice. This is a very good medicine for cough, kapha, sore throat, throat infection. The process name is Thamboola charvanam.